Do rock, scissors, paper. The winner gets to say the letter and open the box. The first one to open all the boxes and reach the end wins.
All right, good job. Okay, okay, next. Let's make it fast. Rock, scissors, paper. Okay, now Dine wins. Okay, Dine, you just
Hide a picture and show only a part of it. Make the student guess what it is. If the student guesses it right, then he or she gets 1 point.
Is it
Ah.
fish?
Okay, let's see. Is it a fish? Yes, you're right. Okay, it's a goldfish. Next, hide a star behind one of the boxes. Make the student choose and read a word, then open it. If there is a star, he or she gets a point. Make a student choose the words or pictures, or assign the pictures before the class. Spin the wheel. Read and remove that word or picture. The first person to have all the pictures disappear wins. 읽어봐.
girl.
Girl, yes! Wow, Diane wins. Okay. Congratulations. Assign a table to each student. Spin and make the student say stop. Then the student reads or says the first picture on that number. If the student says or reads it correctly, remove that picture. Continue until all the pictures are gone. The first student to do so wins the game. And then say stop.
Stop.
Wow, number 2. What's that? What's the next one?
Key.
Yes. Okay, now 이제 hide the letters under the colored boxes. Ask the student what letter the picture begins with and make her guess where it could be hidden. If he or she guesses it right, he or she gets 1 point. What is
Key.
it? Key. Now what letter does it begin with? K. Where is K? Blue, yellow, or red? Matba?
Red.
Red. Let's see. Dun, dun, dun. Shoot. Wow! Very good! You got it right! Read the sentence and discover the picture behind it. This is good for reading fluency and sight words reading. Oh, what's that? Can you guess what it is?
Wow.
Koala? Okay, very good. Only one sentence. This is good for sentence pattern practice and repetitive sentence practice. Hide an item in the box and make the students guess what it is. The nurse has
Octopus.
octopus? Yes, it's an octopus. This is a similar guessing game. Hide X and O behind the boxes and make the students guess who has milk. The one who has milk has the O behind it. Go.
Girl has milk.
Okay, let's open it. X or O? No. One more time. One more time.
Mom.
Mom has. Go.
Mom has milk.
Good. Oh! Woo! You are very good. Set a timer and make the students guess what the shadow is. They must do it before the time is over. points. Next.
Wrong.
Wow, see? Oh, wow, you are good.
뭐지? 어떻게?
Queen, queen,
Queen. Queen.
queen. Thanks for watching. If you have questions on how to make this game, comment down below so I can make another video for that. Thanks.